Additionally, another good news for you, just this morning, around 2 o'clock in the morning, our team from anti-illegal drugs group, led by Police Senior Superintendent Pero, in coordination with the Criminal Investigation Division of Abu Dhabi Police, arrested the drug lord, Kerwin Espinosa. So, nasa custody na siya ngayon ng Abu Dhabi Police and ready to be shipped by Colonel Pero to Manila. Ay, ito kung matapos na yung documentary requirements today, bukas, tuloy sa mga with that, depende sa first available time right after the suspect is cleared to travel to the Philippines.